Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be explaining the control system which is basically hidden inside almost every machine, from washing machine at home to industrial robots in factories. That is called a control system. So let's begin. Alright, so what exactly is a control system? Let me give you a real world example. Imagine you want your room to stay at 22 degrees Celsius. You set the temperature on your AC remote and boom, the AC works on its own to cool the room. You do not have to do anything manually. That's a control system in action. So basically, a control system is something that automatically manages how a machine or process behaves. It keeps on checking what's happening and make decisions to get things back on track if they go off. Now let's discuss the basic components of a control system. A control system is made of 5 basic parts: input, plant, output, controller, and feedback. Let me explain each of these using the same AC example. So the first component is input. The input is simply what you want to happen. So when you set the AC to 22 degrees Celsius, that's your input. You are telling the system, hey, this is my goal. The second component of the control system is the plant. The plant is the thing doing the work. In this case, it's your air conditioner. So what it will do, it will take the room air and start cooling it down to reach the temperature you set. The third component of the control system is the output. The output is the actual result of the system. So if your room successfully cools down to 22 degrees Celsius, that's the output. But what if it goes to 24 degrees Celsius or 20 degrees Celsius? That's where the next component come in. The controller. The controller is like the decision maker. It keeps checking the actual temperature and decides what to do. In our case, the thermostat inside the AC is the controller. If the room is too warm, it tells the compressor to turn on. If the room is already cool, it tells it to stop. And final part of the control system is the feedback. Feedback is the information that goes back to the controller. A sensor checks the actual room temperature and sends that data back to the thermostat. So based on the feedback, the controller can keep adjusting the AC until the temperature is right. So that's the control system and the basic components of a control system. In the next video, we will compare open loop versus closed loop control systems. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.